In an astonishing leap forward, innovators are harnessing the sheer power of lightning to fuel vehicle modifications. These groundbreaking transformations involve intricate conductive systems that capture and store lightning strikes, converting them into usable energy. One such development is a specially adapted car equipped with Tesla coils that channel and regulate this immense energy source. Additionally, engineers have introduced advanced storage technologies capable of retaining the high voltage from lightning, making it feasible for continuous vehicle operation. This script explores the unique fusion of natural phenomena and automotive engineering, transforming traditional vehicles into vessels of sustainable future transportation.